We are taking Christmas down today. I'm pretty excited. I know I'm going to be a little bit sad when it's all put away though, but I'm also very excited to have a fresh start and get our living room kind of put back together because I really don't like the way it's set up right now with our couch and the way the Christmas tree is in here. So we're going to go ahead and take it down. I got my coffee, Emma's napping, and Mike is off work. I don't know if I'm ever going to be doing fresh garland again. The mess when you take it down is insane. Love the way it looks though. 2, 3, 4. Whoa! Yeah, I did it! I did it, Mama. So if anybody wants to know, the way I undecorate with Emma around is 3 things. First thing, we did a lot of it while she was sleeping. Second thing is Mike has off this week. Third thing is TV. Put on a Barbie movie and she's pretty much happy for the most part, but now she's getting into a bin. Okay, Mike is actually not here right now, but he is running some errands, so that's why TV is helping me right now. Oh, you want? Oh. TV is clearly not helping right now. I just realized that I never properly ended this video, so I just wanted to give you a quick overview of what the house looks like now with all the Christmas decor down. You can tell I've already started freshening it up with some new art, and I did leave some of the Christmas decor up, like that little wreath on our pantry door. I love that little wreath. Although now I'm starting to feel like I'm ready even to take the little things that I left up down and just really clear out the space of a lot of the decor and do a little reset, especially as we could start preparing our home to sell. So that is what I'll be working on in the future, is staging our home in preparation to sell. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you soon in my next one. Bye.